So with the Nothing 3A series launch just around the corner, I wanted to remind all Nothing and CMF by Nothing fans in Sri Lanka that you can now purchase your Nothing phone, CMF phone and accessory range with warranty. So all products that are imported by the authorized agent in Sri Lanka, that is Dr. Mobile Private Limited, comes with a comprehensive warranty. All Nothing and CMF accessories come with a 12 months warranty. The GaN Charger, the CMF GaN Charger comes with a 6 months warranty. This is the only product that comes with a 6 months warranty. And the phones come with a comprehensive 12 months warranty. In this warranty period, there's a special feature. Within the first 6 months of purchasing, if there is any manufacturer defect on the phone, we will not repair the phone, but we will give you a device-to-device replacement, provided that there are no physical damages or water damages on the phone. So if there's any issue with regard to your phone in terms of a manufacturer defect, it could be a green light or it could be any other issue. All these phones come with 12 months warranty with a 6 months device-to-device replacement within the first 12 months. Apart from that, the other way that you can know that your product is genuine or that it comes with a warranty is this Be Nothing QR code. So as you can see in this Nothing ear device and also in this CMF GaN Charger as well as on the phone, you have this Be Nothing QR code. So the way you verify the product is just simply scan the device. As you can see, the Nothing device quickly captures the QR code. You go into the nothingphone.lk website. As you all know, this website is a verified website by Nothing. It's handled by us, the authorized agents of Sri Lanka, independent from the Nothing global group. So when you go into this website, you just click this toggle and you either enter the ME, this series of numbers is the ME number of the phone, or this SN number, the serial number of any accessory that you find. So in the CMF, it's this set of numbers over here. So I'll just take this particular, or rather I'll take this device. You see this ME number over here. I'll just enter the ME number. 3. As you see, it shows the product. It's a Nothing 2A plus gray. It's a 12 GB 256 phone. As you see over here, it shows the ME number and it shows that the product is verified. Verified means it's a product imported by the authorized agent and it comes with a warranty. So make sure you check this before you purchase any device, and afterwards it asks your details. Basically, once you fill this form and give the relevant details, once you give the relevant details in this form and submit, you get registered with your product. As you get registered, we also enroll into a loyalty program which is coming up soon. Also, you'll be notified of any discounts or any swap deals that are happening within the island in the future. Also, now if you want to see how the accessories has been verified, simply scan the QR, you come to the same page and then you enter this number. So it's SH106. And as you see, it shows the product. It's a Nothing ear black. It shows the serial number and that it's verified. So this is how you get your Nothing and your CMF by Nothing products verified and check if they are actually coming with the agent's warranty. So again, I would like to say all accessories, the buds, the watches and the phones come with a 12-month warranty. Apart from the GaN Charger comes with a 6 months warranty. So I hope this video explains how the warranty process works in Sri Lanka and how you can verify whether your product is actually TRCSL approved and comes with the warranty when it comes to the phones, and when it comes to the accessories, these accessories are covered by the agent's warranty. So till next time, thank you so much for your support.